guys, welcome to another Cooking with Kids. Today we're gonna make banana bread. First things first, just a couple safety tips when cooking with kids. Always make sure that anything to do with the oven, you're the one handling it and making sure that they're aware of things that they can and can't handle in the kitchen. And of course, wash your hands before you start. Okay, so I've gone ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've laid out a couple of the ingredients ahead of time, kind of pre-prep just for ease and speed. So I've already pre-mashed 2 bananas, and I've already softened the margarine, and I'm just going to call up my little helper chef. Okay, Liam, are you excited to come bake?
Yes.
Yes? What's the first thing we gotta do?
We gotta wash our hands.
You're right. Okay, let's wash our hands. Okay, ready? Turn the water on. Yeah, get both hands wet. All right, get some soap. Ready for some soap? Pull your hand away. Whoops. There we go. Ready? Now we scrub our hands together. Make lots of bubbles. Now we get the back of our hands. Yeah. Now the other one. Now can you go like this? Yeah, and wiggle your fingers up. Good job. Now go like this. Can you go like that? Watch your thumb. Yeah, good job. Now we're going to tickle our fingers on our palm. Yeah, does that tickle? Yeah, tickle our fingers on our palm.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Now I think we're good. Are we good?
Well,
Yeah,
no.
wash off all the bubbles. Get all the bubbles off. Got them all off. Now what do we do?
Okay.
Shut off the water. And now we dry our hands. Are you all dry?
Yes.
Awesome. So, now that we've washed our hands, what do we get to do next?
Baking.
Yes, we're gonna bake banana bread today. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so first things first, we have a 1/2 cup of softened margarine. Next, we need 3/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so we got our 3/4 cup sugar. Dump it in. Good job. Excellent. And next what we're going to do is we're going to take our hand mixer and we're going to blend it till it's nice and whipped and creamy. Does that feel cool? We got to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, so this is kind of what you want it to look like. It's kind of lighter color and really fluffy. Are we ready for the next step?
Yes.
Okay, the next step is 2 eggs. I'm going to grab those out of the fridge, okay?
I will help you.
Oh, you stay right there.
Okay. I will help you.
Yeah, you will help me.
There's 2 eggs.
2 eggs, yeah. 2 eggs. Okay.
I will pick one.
You want that one? Okay, hold on. Mom's gonna crack it, okay?
Okay.
See how it cracked? Then we're gonna dig our fingers in. Come here. Ready? You pull. Help Mom pull. Oh, there we go. There's one. Yay, no shells. Now we're gonna do the next one. Ready? Hold on. Careful. Oh. I think we still managed to go without any shells in that. Yay!
We got 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Okay, so I washed my hands because I was touching eggs. And next what we're going to do is we're going to beat the eggs with the mixer. Ready? Okay.
We mixed all the eggs.
So next what we want is we want
Milk.
our
Milk.
bananas.
Bananas.
So here's our pre-mashed bananas. And we're going to dump it in. You going to help me? Okay, dump it in. Good job. Give it a little shake. Excellent. And then we need a 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, so when you're measuring, you're going to want to put it flat on the counter and pour at eye level. Hold on. I'll let you pour, okay?
It spilled, Mom.
Yeah, it's spilled, but that's okay.
We can wash it.
You're right. We can wipe it up anytime we spill.
We did it.
We did it. Okay.
We did 1%.
We gave 100%. Okay, ready? You gonna pour it in? Good job. So we poured in a 1/3 cup of milk. And now we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I will get.
Oh, I gotta find the right one. There we go, this one. Okay, all right, you hold it. You gotta hold it straight. So 1 teaspoon vanilla. Hold it over the bowl. Gonna pour it in. And then we're gonna dump it in. Do you wanna tap it on the side of the bowl? No? Okay. So far we have a 1/2 cup margarine softened and 3/4 cup, yeah, 3/4 cup sugar. We blended that together. Next we added in 2 eggs and we blended that together. Now we have our 2 mashed bananas, our 1/3 cup milk, and our 1 teaspoon vanilla, and we're gonna mix that all together until it's completely combined. Ready? Are you gonna do it this time?
No.
No, you're just gonna watch? We did mix it. Hold on. Okay, so now that we have that all completely mixed, we're gonna add in 2 cups of flour. We got some flour. Here's our 1st cup. So that's 1. Now I'm gonna get our 2nd cup. 2. Whoa, yeah, over the bowl. Okay, there we go. We got our 2 cups flour. Next, we're gonna add the 1 teaspoon. The 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
I will.
Okay, we're just using a 1/2 teaspoon, so we'll put 2 in there. There's 1. Ready? Okay. Yeah, scoop it in. Close. Shake it off. There you go, dump it in. Good job. So we've got our baking soda in there, and then we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Salt?
Yeah, dump that in. Good job. Okay, and so for the final step, what you're gonna do
To mix.
is we're gonna mix it. And I'm just using a spatula to mix it until it's just combined. That way you don't over mix it. How's it?
Make some bananas.
Yeah, we're making some banana bread. Okay. We mixed it. So this is the final look of what we've made for the dough. What we're gonna do is we're gonna spray our pan, whether or not you are using a single pan or a mini loaf pan like we are. You're gonna spray it and then pour in your dough, and then we'll put it in the oven and let it cook. So I have it all poured out into our pans, and we are going to stick it in the oven and let it bake. So the temperature that you're gonna need is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're cooking it in a loaf pan, you're gonna wanna cook it for about 50 to 60 minutes. For the mini loaf pans, what I did was I cooked them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I started them at 20 minutes and then just added a extra 5 minutes to make sure they were cooked. To check your loaves, what you can do is you can insert a knife or a piece of spaghetti or a toothpick and just make sure that it comes out clean, and when it comes out clean, it is finished. So we've got our banana breads completely finished and out of the oven. They're cooled and they're ready to go. So here's for our taste test. It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you helped bake that, hey? Okay, that's it for us. Have a great week, guys. Bye.
Bye.